Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing for an Erin Condren package that I picked up. Last time I picked up their journals, and then the year before that some of their planners. This year I didn't go with an Erin Condren planner, but let's see what I did buy. So I'm just going to open it up. Packaging is always super cute when you open these up. It says you are entirely up to you, and it is a postcard that you can send to someone, as well as one of those thank you labels. I'm going to just tear it out. Okay, the thing I picked up was the mini calendar sticker pack. So these have every single month of the year, and these are perfect if you're doing like those bullet point journals, which I've noticed has become super popular lately, especially on YouTube. So you have one for every single month, even though January already ended for me, but it's not a big deal. And they have like that metallic reflective stickerness to it, so super cute. Then I picked up the starter stencil sheet. So these are stencils to make all of the shapes, and I just picked this up on a whim, honestly, because I had already purchased, if you picked up, what is it, like 4 accessories and you get 20% off or something like that, 25%, I don't know. So yeah, these are stencils. I do have a couple of these that I picked up through Amazon, but I wanted to try these out because they have a slightly cuter ones, so you can see right there. Alright. So that's the second accessory that I picked up. The next item are these little pockets for your pages. So you just put them at the bottom of your page like this. And they're super cute. This is the Painted Petals collection. They have 2 other ones as well. And it says perfect for bound, coiled, and hard-bound book options as well. So yeah, you just peel them, you place them, and then you store things in them. Second to last thing is the habit tracker. I really wanted one of these because I'm not good at keeping track of my habits. So you write the habit here and then you check it off if you did it all of the days, if you missed a day, whatever. It kind of keeps track of everything. So I thought this was really cute. That's what the back looks like. Small actions every day lead to big things. So that's cute. Next thing I picked up are the metallic minis snap-in bookmarks. So these have like that little coily thing that all Erin Condrens have, so you just stick it into your books, whether you're using these notebooks or the planners, and it comes with 3 and it just keeps track of it. And I like that because sometimes I have to open up my planner and then I can't tell where I'm at. So this will be nice to just, you know, be a little bit of a bookmark without having to use an actual bookmark, because this is connected to the book, so you won't lose it that way. I lose my bookmarks a lot. Up to the best part, which are the 2 notebooks that I decided to pick up. So I did pick up the largest size possible. I've never tried their smaller one, but it's the same size as a planner, the other size. This is the larger one. I do already own one of these, actually. I never ended up making that haul, even though I did film it. So I got this one in the Candy Hearts print, and it does say my name on it. Let me pull back a little bit. So it does have my first name. I did do both names for my next one. It has that erase wet marker eraser thing, which I do own them, but I have a little, I'm not super in love with those. And then I got the bullet journal format. So let me zoom in there for a second. So yeah, this is like that bullet journal format. It's just gonna work better for what I have in mind, which is notes. I have 2 different classes, so I'm gonna be rewriting my notes in this one. And it is super cute. I love these. I'm gonna actually move the box away so we can get a better view of them. And here they are. So you just go like this. And then at the very end, it has note to self, think less, live more, and it has some of the stickers, which you also find in the planner itself. And then again, the little wet erase board. Even though I find like those markers do transfer over. That's my only concern with them, and the only reason I don't really like them. And then I have this one. I did put my last name on this one. This is super cute. It's like the doggy print one, and I changed the color of the background just because I didn't like the blue that was there. But I really love it. I think it's beautiful. Again, same size. Here's what the interior looks like. So there's like doggy prints all over it. I thought that was adorable. And then the same thing applies here. Who does it belong to? And then it's just grids. I just feel like I can fit more information on papers like this than I can if it's just normal loose leaf. Though that is an option. And they also have the productivity one where it's like a column like this where it's loose leaf, and then it's like a separate little column to write important things, which I don't know. I don't really like that one, so I chose this one instead. So I got the doggy one. I got the Candy Hearts one. I got the habit tracker. We got the pockets for inside the journal or notebook, planner, whatever. We got the little stencil kit. Then we got the snap-in bookmarks, as well as the 2018 mini calendar stickers. So those are all the things I picked up today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time with another video. Bye.